How to unadd people on Snapchat fast. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll provide a clear and straightforward guide on how to delete friends on Snapchat. So whether you're starting a new relationship, moving to college, or just want to clean up your friend list, I'll guide you through some easy options. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. And be cautious of any ads or third party services asking you for your login information to remove friends. I strongly advise against this as it can compromise your account security and is not approved by Snapchat. So to remove contacts, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and go to Privacy Control and then click on Contact Me option. And here set the settings to friends if you have set it to friends and contact. Make sure to turn off the contact syncing to prevent Snapchat from automatically adding your contact backs. So go to contact syncing and turn it off. Now go back to your profile and then tap on My Friends. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't offer a way to remove all friends at once, but you can do it quickly by tapping and holding on a friend. And then click on Manage Friendship option and click on Remove Friend that is highlighted in red color. Click on Remove to confirm. Removing each friend takes about 2 to 3 seconds. If you have a lot of friends, like 100 or more, it may take a few minutes. For thousands, you might want to spread it out over several days. Just keep tapping, managing friendships, and removing friends as needed. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.